In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Expensify. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, and you'll also understand what's happening at each step so you don't accidentally lose access to your account. Start by opening Expensify in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the settings area and then click on Accounts. This is where Expensify keeps all of your core account details, including things like your subscription, billing, and basic user settings. Think of this as your control center for anything related to your profile and how Expensify identifies you. Inside the account section, you'll see several tabs or options. Here, you want to click on Profile. Your profile is where Expensify stores your personal information, such as your name and the contact details tied to your account. Since your email is a key part of your identity in Expensify, this is exactly where we need to be. Within your profile, look for the area labeled Contact Methods and click on it. Contact methods are the different ways Expensify can reach you or verify you, such as email addresses or sometimes phone numbers. It's important to update this section whenever your primary email changes, especially if you use Expensify for work reimbursements or corporate expenses, so that notifications and approvals go to the right place. Once you're on the Contact Methods page, find and click on New Contact Method. Instead of just replacing your old email, Expensify first has you add your new one. This is a safer approach because it lets you confirm that the new email works before you rely on it. On this screen, you'll typically be asked to enter the new email address you want to use. After typing in your new email, click on Add. When you do this, Expensify will usually send a confirmation message to that new address. Make sure you have access to the inbox for the email you just entered, and look for a verification email from Expensify. Open it and follow the instructions to confirm. Once it's verified,